everyone! Welcome to Tandem English for Kids Crafts. So today I thought I would send you an extra video so we could do some crafts together. I want to show you how to make a lovely Easter card. Maybe you can send it to your grandparents, to Granny and Grandpa. What you will need are some coloured pens and pencils, some coloured paints, scissors, a piece of white card, a paintbrush, and some water. Okay? Now I want you to take your card, and I first would like you to half it. So fold it over like this, and then I want you to cut it right down the middle like this. Okay, so you have two single pieces. Okay, like this. Now on one of the pieces we're going to put some paints. These are later going to be our flowers on the card. So let's take a couple of nice colors. Now you can use a paintbrush if you like to make your spots, or maybe you can just do a dot like this. And another one here, and another one here. Let's take another color. What's a nice color for a flower? Yellow, very spring color for the flowers. So do another spot. Oh, it's a big spot, and then a little one here. And maybe we can take a green. Yeah, green would be nice for another couple of flowers. Now, while the paint is still wet, not dry, nass, wet, we have to take our other piece of card and put it directly on top, like that. Give it a little pat, give it a little wiggle. Okay, is it nice and squashed? Then I want you to take it apart, and you have two cards with some splodges of paint. So what do we do now? Well, I'm going to leave those two to dry. And here's one that I made earlier that dried. So you can see all of my splodges, very boring. But what I'm going to do is take a pen, and I'm going to turn these spots into flowers, okay? I'm going to go around the edges and make beautiful flowers so it looks like a nice spring garden. Maybe we can have the purple ones down here. That, and so on. So you keep drawing around all of the spots, and hopefully you'll end up with something like that. Can you see? So if you draw all the way around, don't forget, if it's an Easter card, we can write at the top, Happy Easter. How do you spell it? H-A-P-P-Y-E-A-S-T-E-R. Happy Easter. Now you can send it to your Granny and Grandpa. Have a lovely Easter, everyone. Bye.